Hey guys, I wanted to give you just a little bit more information about the assignment that you're going to be doing this week. You're going to be diagramming a process of your choice. So the first step really is to select your process and then name the start point and the end point. And you'll see I did that here. So in my example, the physician decides to order a med, and then the process ends when the prescription is in the outgoing box. And so just a word to the wise, make sure that your process is short. You don't need to diagram all of the time from when a patient arrives until the patient is discharged after surgery. You might instead just focus on patient cleared for discharge to the patient walking out the door. That's a much smaller piece of that process and much more manageable for our purposes. So you'll notice I listed my roles here on the left. I have 3 roles. And it goes left to right. So it begins, the physician opens Epic, selects patient chart, clicks on Orders tab, enters order. The next step is by the pharmacy tech down here. He or she clicks on the order list, clicks print, walks to printer, places page in the box. Then the pharmacist reviews the page, identifies the error, texts the physician reads the text, the physician responds to the text, the pharmacist reads the text, clicks approve on order, and then the pharmacy tech selects the order on screen, fills the order, and so on. So you can tell who's doing what and in what order that's happening. Now your chart or your diagram doesn't have to look exactly like this, but I wanted you to see just an example of the type of thing I'm looking for. You can use Excel, you can create more of a regular flow, but the key is to, again, include all of the steps. And you'll notice even steps like walking to a printer are included, and that's important because when you get to that granular level, that's when you start noticing all of the waste in a process. So in this example, one of the ways if we were trying to reduce the time for this process, we might move the printer to the pharmacy tech's desk, so that way he or she doesn't have to walk to the printer to get the piece of paper. So anyway, I hope that is helpful. If you have questions along the way, please be sure to let me know.